I just got pedicure yesterday. Of course. You're always eating dessert, of course. Cause this, I cannot miss dessert for one day. Every day I have to get dessert. Either it's the healthy one or non-healthy one like this. But my diet is balanced, okay? Not really. I seen it every stream respect. Are you good at work? Yes. Ask these guys. Do I have your permission to nut, baby? You can go for it, it's fine. Just don't say it, you know what I mean? Just do it in a peaceful way. Silence! Can you be my mommy? But I'm not gonna give you any money. That kind of mommy I am. Baby. I really wanna dance. Okay, this is the last bite. Then I'm gonna put it. So good.